Did you know there's a single organism that covers more than 2,200 acres in Oregon? That's bigger than the state of Rhode Island and about the size of a small country. And it's not a monster or a giant animal, it's a mushroom. I'm talking about the honey fungus, scientifically named Armillaria ostoya, that lives under the forest floor of the Malheur National Forest in eastern Oregon. If you could draw a map of its territory, it would stretch roughly 4 miles from coast to coast, like a living city hidden beneath the trees. Most people think of mushrooms as quiet, crumbly caps that pop out of the dirt. In reality, every cap you see is just the tip of a much larger network of fungal threads called mycelium that spreads like an underground web. Thousands of kilometers of these hyphae weave through the roots of trees, feeding off wood, sugars, and the dead matter that piles up in the soil. Over time, the network keeps growing, sending out new threads and taking over more land. Scientists have dated the honey fungus using carbon dating techniques on the oldest parts of its mycelial mat. Their results show that this single organism is beyond 8,000 years old, maybe up to 10,000. That means it started as a tiny spore long before humans walked the Pacific coast and has been quietly expanding for millennia. Why is it called honey fungus? The mushroom caps it produces are bright yellow or orange, and many of the species in the Armillaria family produce spores that are coated with a sweet honey-like substance. These bright colors are a signal to insects, especially beetles, that help spread the spores across the forest. The honey fungus doesn't just grow, it also kills. Its roots feed on living trees, weakening them until they fail. In areas of dense forest, it can create large dead zones where entire stands of trees are struck by the fungal takeover. Sometimes, after several years, the trees die, and the fungus shifts to more of the dead wood, continuing its cycle of growth. For those who think a mushroom can't be some of the most impressive life forms on Earth, the honey fungus proves otherwise. Its size, its age, and its hidden city beneath the forest floor make it an amazing example of how complex and powerful simple organisms can be. If you're fascinated by this gigantic fungal empire, share this fact with a friend and drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more mind-blowing facts about the wonders of the natural world. Until next time, keep looking up, and maybe down the next time you walk through a forest.